Today, in the Gospel according to John 8:1-11, we are facing a great and charming scene. That woman, discovered in adultery, abandoned and blamed by all, is accepted by the tender mercy of Jesus. He said to them, "He who is without sin among you, let him be the first to throw a stone at her." Again, he stooped down and wrote on the ground. They all disappeared. No one threw a stone. "Where are they? Has no one condemned you?" She replied, "No one, Lord." "Then neither do I condemn you. Go now and leave your life of sin." Lord Jesus, today you call us not to condemn our neighbors. Lord, grant us the grace to recognize our own faults and not to judge others. Grant us the grace to persevere when we are tempted and to keep away from every occasion of sin. Praise be to you forever, Lord Jesus Christ.